Every type of charging cable explained. USB Type A. This is the rectangular connector that most people recognize as the standard USB plug. It was introduced in the mid-90s as a way to unify the various ports on the back of computers. What makes it unique is its asymmetrical design, which famously requires it to be inserted in a specific orientation. It remains popular because it is the primary interface for power bricks, computers, and cars, serving as the foundation for modern peripheral connectivity. USB Type B. This square-shaped connector is primarily found on larger peripherals like printers and scanners. It was developed alongside Type A to ensure that users wouldn't accidentally connect two host computers to one another. It stands out due to its sturdy, blocky construction, which makes it very durable for long-term stationary connections. It matters because it is still the industry standard for high-reliability data transfers in office equipment and professional audio interfaces. Mini USB. This smaller, chunky connector was the first major attempt to bring USB connectivity to mobile devices in the early 2000s. It originated as a response to the shrinking size of digital cameras and early MP3 players. What sets it apart is its thick, trapezoidal profile, which feels quite robust compared to modern thin cables. While mostly phased out, it is still popular in legacy tech and specialized equipment like older GPS units and some professional microphones. Micro USB. This thin, flat connector replaced Mini USB as the global standard for smartphones and portable electronics for over a decade. It was designed to be even smaller and more durable for the constant plugging and unplugging required by mobile phones. It is distinguished by its tapered edges and two small latching hooks that hold the cable in place. It matters because billions of devices worldwide still rely on it, making it one of the most widely distributed cable types in history. USB-C. This oval-shaped connector is the modern successor to almost every previous USB type. It emerged from a desire for a universal, high-speed connection that could handle both massive data and high-wattage power delivery. What makes it different is its reversible design, meaning there is no wrong way to plug it in. It is incredibly popular because it can charge everything from a pair of headphones to a high-end laptop, finally fulfilling the promise of a single cable for everything. Lightning. This small, proprietary connector was introduced by Apple in 2012 to replace the aging 30-pin dock connector. It was a pioneer in reversibility and thin-profile design, making it much more convenient for daily smartphone use. What makes it unique is that the pins are located on the outside of the plug, rather than inside a hollow shell. It remains significant due to the massive ecosystem of iPhone and iPad accessories that were built around it for over a decade. MagSafe. This magnetic charging system was originally designed for MacBook laptops to prevent them from being pulled off tables if someone tripped on the cord. It uses a series of magnets to align the charging pins, allowing the cable to break away safely under tension. It is different because it focuses on physical safety and ease of alignment rather than data transfer. It is highly valued for the peace of mind it provides and has recently seen a resurgence in both laptops and magnetic smartphone charging. Barrel connector. This cylindrical plug is a common sight on power adapters for laptops, routers, and household electronics. It originated as a simple way to deliver direct current power without the complexity of data pins. What makes it different is that it comes in dozens of slightly different sizes, requiring users to match the exact inner and outer diameters. It is still popular because it is incredibly cheap to manufacture and very reliable for devices that stay plugged into a wall constantly. 30-pin connector. This wide, flat plug was the standard for early iPods and iPhones during the rise of the digital music era. It was designed to carry a wide variety of signals, including analog audio, video, and data, all through a single port. What made it different was its sheer width and the locking clips that kept it securely fastened to the device. While obsolete now, it matters because it helped define the modern concept of a multifunctional docking station for mobile tech. Thunderbolt. This high-performance interface looks identical to USB-C but offers significantly higher data speeds and video bandwidth. Developed by Intel in collaboration with Apple, it was intended for professional creative work involving high-resolution displays and external storage arrays. It is distinguished by the small lightning bolt icon on the connector head. It matters because it allows a single cable to daisy-chain multiple high-end devices, effectively turning a laptop into a full desktop workstation. FireWire. This older high-speed interface was once the primary competitor to USB for data-heavy tasks like digital video editing. It originated from Apple in the late 90s and was known for its ability to transfer data at consistent speeds without taxing the computer's processor. It is different because it uses a distinctively shaped, pointed connector and allows devices to communicate with each other without a host computer. It is remembered as a premium standard that pushed the boundaries of what external cables could do. Micro-B USB 3.0. This wide, dual-section connector is most commonly seen on portable external hard drives. It was designed to provide the increased speed of the USB 3.0 standard while remaining thin enough for portable enclosures. It is unique because it looks like a standard micro-USB connector with an extra piece attached to the side. It remains relevant for legacy storage devices that require more power and faster data throughput than the original micro-USB design could provide.